Over in pharma, companies were sitting on $130 billion in cash at the end of 2023. And our next guest thinks that could propel a new round, a wave of M&A activity this year. Let's bring in Michael Yee of Jefferies. He's the firm's senior biotech analyst, tracks all of these names we've never heard of but could make it big. So, Michael, last year was very much about the AI of healthcare, which was GLP-1, obesity/diabetes. Is that still the case in 2024?
I think that we still have a way to go on GLP-1, and I still think you're going to see a wave of strategic deals in that space and related spaces, metabolism and cardiovascular. So, yes, I think that's still a way to go. The drug's just barely launched, so we got some time.
All right, so this is the total addressable market argument, right, that this is a huge pie, or it could potentially be one. Who's primed to take advantage of it next if, hypothetically, it is no longer one that people want to go with, say, Eli Lilly or Novo Nordisk?
Sure. We have been very bullish on Amgen. We have said this time and time again, and I think this is going to be a huge breakout in 24 and 25 if they have great data with a potentially monthly or possibly quarterly maintenance drug. We're going to get huge data at the end of 2024 on that. I think the stock could be great if that works. There's also smaller companies in the space as well, like Scholar Rock, SRRK, Structure, GPCR. So a lot there, but Amgen's really our favorite.
All right. We talked about this idea of M&A in 2024 and the vast amounts of cash on the sidelines from these companies. What types of companies, if it's not GLP-1, could be the target more so of biotech M&A this coming year?
So I think that if you listen to all the comments last week, we had a great note out about that. You have a bunch of companies saying that, first, metabolic, cardiovascular, and all the areas related to obesity. If you think about the hundreds of billions of dollars of cash coming in and the sales forces, that everything related to that is going to be important. So that's why we just talked about some of those plays. I would say that in cardiovascular, names like Cytokinetics make a lot of sense. I know that's been in the news recently with 3 different players looking at that. And then also in neurology, this is perhaps the second biggest unmet need as it relates to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, schizophrenia. You saw 2 deals, AbbVie and Bristol, both acquiring a schizophrenia drug in just the last 8 weeks. There's quite a competitive situation going on. So if they're investing there, I think that says there's going to be more around the corner to leverage on that. So neurology companies as well. And then last, I would say oncology, always the play, names like Immunocore, IMCR, with approved drugs and a huge toolbox. So a lot to see in 2024.